Welcome to Agenter. In this video, we will learn how to create an invoice in AgenterBooks. Log in to AgenterBooks. Under Sales, click on Invoices. To create a new invoice, click on the Add button. Choose the invoice type, whether credit or cash. Choose your customer. If you haven't added any customer, click on Add New Customer. Type the invoice number. Type order number. Choose the invoice date. Choose payment terms. Choose the salesperson. If you haven't added any salesperson, click on Manage Salesperson. Choose Discount option. Choose your item. Choose the item for which invoice is made. If you have not created an item already, you can click on Add New Item. Choose your item account. Enter the item quantity. In the Notes section, add any notes. Enter terms and conditions, if any. After entering all the necessary details, click Save. However, if you want to edit this invoice, you can click the Edit button here and update the details. For more information, please visit Help or FAQ page.